Hi guys, I want to share with you a Dollar Tree haul that I picked up. I guess it's collective, but the other day and today, and I think I have found most of the items that I was looking for at the Dollar Tree. So let me share with you what I picked up and get started with this haul. Okay, so I have the most signs, and what I'm about to do, because it's hard to pick and choose which ones to put up first, so I'm just gonna lay them all out on the floor and put the ones that I really love this year or go with my theme. So I saw this one that says Jingle All the Way. I was looking, well, I guess I didn't find everything. I was looking for the other one. It's white with the faux looking wood. I don't know what it says on it, but that's the one that I wanted, and got that one. This one here that says Jingle Bells, White Christmas, Ho Ho Ho, Hang Stockings, Oh Holy Night, Trim the Tree, Joy to the World. And then I picked up this box. Someone did beat me to the other ones because I think it was some larger ones. And I may have seen this at the other one, but I didn't get it. But this one is cute with the little red truck and the snowman. Have yourself a Merry Christmas. I picked up Saya. We did put his little tree up in his room. And I probably should have got him some more ornaments, but he can use what we have left over. And I picked him up some multicolor mini lights. And then as far as the Bolero products, my favorite are the spray oil and the wipes. So I just picked these up in the coconut cream and vanilla and the body oil, and I'm seeing a lot of them. Most of the time I have to hunt the Bolero products down, but these would be great little gifts to add to someone's stocking or to make, what do I want to say, gifts out of, like a whole gift set or something. Okay, so then I also got the coconut cream and vanilla paper mask. I haven't tried any of the Bolero facial masks before, so I want to try that. And then I needed some of these photo albums, and I use these to put like Etsy stickers in and so forth. And I got that idea from KP Plans and Things on Instagram. She does have a YouTube channel. She has a YouTube channel. She used to do Dollar Tree. She shows them on her Instagram. And so it's not really picking up a color, but it's really pretty. It's like a pink and a purple. And then I picked up this one here. So these are perfect size for those Etsy stickers, some of them, when they're cut down in sheets. I have seen where everyone was using these scrub buddies to, then I guess they're taking them apart, the dusters, and they're using them to add like faux snow to the Christmas trees. So I did pick up 4 boxes of these, and you get 3 pieces in them. I also am glad that I found the miniature bottle brush trees, so I picked up 1 in the white and then 2 in the green, but I think the trees are a little different. And that's Saya playing with his Thomas trains, y'all. He just got some batteries. So if you hear that noise, I did pick up some glitter draping, like the little faux snow. And then the only houses that I didn't have is one more I still don't have, but I can't find it as looking at the picture. But I did pick up this house here, the blue one, and from the picture it's a tan house, but I have not found that in the store. So maybe the picture is just throwing me off, because it looks like they're fully stocked at the 2 stores that I saw of these little miniature houses and in the hotel. So I have all of the rest of them. I also picked up the Cashmere Woods Glade spray, and they had this last year, I believe. I don't know if it was holidays time or what, but this smells really good. I really like it. And the Sure Scent Spruce, this smells really good as well. But the only thing with Sure Scent, it can smell, some of them can smell alcohol-y, but this one doesn't. But when you spray it, a lot tends to come out at one time. So if you're in the bathroom, you spray it, or if you just, yeah, it'll just fall all on the floor and it gets the floor wet and stuff like that. That's the only thing, but I wanted to get this one because it smelled good. And then this one didn't smell as sweet as I thought it would. So I was spraying it in the store, and this is essential oil sugar cookies. And they had another one like homemade baked apple pie, but I didn't really care for that one. You guys might like it, I don't know. And then I did find the Have Yourself a Merry Christmas. I probably should have picked up 4 of these. I only picked up 2. But again, we're not really coffee drinkers, so I said I'll just pick up 2. And then I did pick up the little gingerbread ones, 2 of those. And then I picked up 3 of the little faux trees, and I have an idea of what I want to do with that if it works out, hopefully. And then have a cup of cheer. I thought this would be cute for, I think a lot of people have said, for a little cocoa bar. Really cute. So I was glad to find that. I did pick up Mama one. She already has hers. And then I like these size gift boxes as well. And you get 4 of them. I don't know how the width of them are, though. It says 12 by 5 by 3 inches. So I guess the width is 5 inches. And then I was glad to see the red truck. I should look for the buffalo check, but I think I have some. But I think it's buffalo check that they also have. But I'm glad they have the red truck wrapping paper. I picked up 3 of those. I only brought 2 over here. And then I thought these were really cute. These little 4 coffee mugs. They had some other new items too. But it looks like they try to keep these in stock. The little entertainment stuff. So I don't really pick it up until I need it, or I know I have something coming up. And then I did see these weeks ago, but I went ahead and picked them up again. Not again, but went ahead and picked them up. These are really cute. Look like mercury glass, distressed. And then I picked up, I thought it was cute, the little coffee mugs and the gingerbread men. And then I'm on my phone, guys, so that's why it keeps focusing and unfocusing. And this here, how to make little gingerbread cookies. And they had some pot holders, and I meant to go back and get them, and I didn't. But it's okay, as long as I got these. Super cute. You get 2 in a pack. And then I picked up these little 3-piece gift bags because of the little truck. And that Santa is cute. And then I also picked up this little box. They had them in 2 other sizes. One larger, one smaller. The Hot Cocoa Cafe. With a little gingerbread people on it. And then I needed some more of these because some of them I had some years ago. So disheveled here and there. And some of them have broken. So I picked these up. To maybe do place card, place name settings, or either for listing the food on the menu or on the buffet. Okay, then I also picked up this little red truck. They had these in different sizes too, the little boxes, and I only picked up 1. And then I finally remembered, I just bought some Sensodyne from Walmart. No, from Target, but I went ahead and picked it up because I always forget. The Sensitive, and my mom said she's tried this. It's compared to Sensodyne, and she said she likes it. It works just as good. Got Jason his cookies. This is days off, so got him his cookies. Home for the holidays. I was glad to see this. I was hunting for this little sign, so that'll be one I put up. And then as well, they had these chair cushions. I saw it in Shantae Vega. She does on Instagram and YouTube. She does videos on YouTube, Dollar Tree hauls. So check out her channel, guys. And she showed on her Instagram these seat chair pads. And I was like, Shantae, is that solid red at the bottom? And she was like, yeah. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna go get me some. They also had some other cute patterns, but I was like, I don't need those patterns. And so I saw 2 sitting around in the store, and I was like, let me just ask. And it was a lady. She was so nice. She went to the back and she pulled out a whole big box of them, and the red ones were at the bottom, and she got those for me. And I got some stuff from Walmart right there. I don't even know if I'm gonna haul it, but some stuff from Walmart. And what else? Oh, so the manager, I think he's a manager now, but when I worked there, he was just an associate. When I first started going to Dollar Tree, this is the one closest to me, and I think I told you guys before how he said that Saya was growing up in Dollar Tree, and sure enough, because it seemed like that's when I found out about the Dollar Tree community when I started YouTube when he was a newborn. So he was like, "You did good today." He was joking. He was joking with me. He's like, "You did pretty good today," and I was like, I just fell out laughing because they don't sometimes really talk too much in there, but he will talk every now and then, and I don't even know his name, but I guess he recognized me, of course, for over the years. Okay, so back to the haul. I did pick up this Reform, and I'm glad they got these finally because they sell the Deco mesh, so they should sell the Reforms. So these are for your Deco mesh, guys, and I have a video. I will link it. I will find it and link it below, of how to make you a Deco mesh wreath. Now, in that video, I use the Reforms from Carolina Pottery, and then I think I talk about how you can make your own, but now Dollar Tree has their own. So you just take that, you use that same technique in that video, and you just take that Deco mesh, and you're gonna, however method you do, if you do the cut method or the poof method, and then you just wrap it around and put it in there. But I'll link that video. You'll know what I'm saying by these. So I probably should have got more because these are really nice, and they have them in green too. And then, you know, if you're good enough at them, or if you can practice till you're good enough at them, and you can sell them. So yeah, so I picked up some styrofoam cups. I like these, and I could not believe my eyes, guys, when I saw this. So these are table lamps, and they come with the light bulb, and they have them in white and they have them in black. And so let me put this together and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, guys, so this is what it looks like, and it is bright for it to be such a little light. It's really bright. It's I need to put it up higher, but it is really bright, and it's great quality for $1. It even comes with a little light bulb. I don't want to blind you guys. It seems like I'm blinding myself more so, but it comes with this little light bulb. So that is a great buy for $1. I probably should have opened the black one so you guys can see, but I got Mama one, I got 2 black ones, and I got 2 white ones. Of course, they're going in my mom cave. Yeah, I think. Yeah, and maybe one on my vanity. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this haul. Thanks so much for watching. What are you doing? Your little snotty nose. Thanks so much for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.